Hey there, kids! Today we're going to dive into the world of one of the cutest and funniest animals on our planet, the sloth. Get ready for some amazing sloth facts that will make you smile. First up, did you know sloths are actually excellent swimmers? Yep, these slowpokes can hold their breath underwater for up to 40 minutes and swim 3 times faster than they move on land. Imagine a sloth swimming like an Olympic champion. Pretty funny, right? Now let's talk about their famous slow motion. Sloths move so slowly that algae grows on their fur. But being slow isn't all bad. It actually helps them avoid predators like jaguars and eagles because they move so quietly and blend in with the trees. It's like they're nature's best hide-and-seek players. Next, let's peek into their diet. Sloths love munching on leaves, but their digestion is super slow. It can take up to a month to digest just one meal. Talk about taking your time to enjoy your food. Plus, their stomachs are like tiny fermentation tanks, breaking down the tough leaves into energy. Sloths really know how to make a meal last. And did you know sloths are master climbers? They spend nearly their entire lives hanging upside down in trees. Their long claws and strong grip help them cling to branches effortlessly. Imagine hanging upside down all day. Sounds like a fun challenge, right? So, let's wrap up with a quick recap. Sloths are awesome swimmers, super slow movers that are great at hiding. They have a unique diet and digestion process, and they're incredible climbers. Isn't that amazing? Now you know some fantastic facts about sloths that you can share with your friends. Keep exploring and learning about the incredible animals we share our planet with. And remember, there's always more to discover. See you next time with more amazing animal facts. Bye-bye.